I am serving tea to the guest. I am serving tea to the guest. I like spending time in the park. I like spending time in the park. I am hanging a painting on the wall. I am hanging a painting on the wall. I am ready to go. I am ready to go. I am pulling the curtain aside. I am pulling the curtain aside. I watch the news every morning. I watch the news every morning. My car stopped suddenly. My car stopped suddenly. We went to the village during our summer vacation. We went to the village during our summer vacation. We came back home. We came back home. I am going home with vegetables from the market. I am going home with vegetables from the market. I am helping my mom in my kitchen. I am helping my mom in my kitchen. I am busy with my study. I am busy with my study. I am walking to college with my friend. I am walking to college with my friend. The food doesn't taste good. The food doesn't taste good. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. I am walking home. I am walking home. I am sleeping peacefully in my bedroom. I am sleeping peacefully in my bedroom. I woke up late today. I woke up late today. I am going outside. I am going outside. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day today. Finally, I caught the bus. Finally, I caught the bus. It's very sunny today. It's very sunny today. A dog suddenly ran in front of my car. A dog suddenly ran in front of my car. I drink a glass of milk every day. I drink a glass of milk every day. I am feeding the ducks. I am feeding the ducks. I fell off my bicycle. I fell off my bicycle. My kite got stuck in a tree. My kite got stuck in a tree. Don't stay up too late at night. Don't stay up too late at night. Don't arguing with your sister. Don't arguing with your sister. The cat is sitting on top of the cupboard. The cat is sitting on top of the cupboard.